Good afternoon. My name is Adison Harrison, and I am a new tutor here on the Wyzant platform. And I'm really excited to show you how to graph these two inequality systems and show you points of intersection. So let's first start by reading the question and then graphing the question. So the question states, solve the following system of inequalities graphically on the set of axes below. State the coordinates of a point in the solution set. And then it gives us two inequalities. So it's asking us to do two things. First, we need to graph them on the axis plane, and second, we need to find a solution set. So let's go and graph them first as our first step. So looking at the first system of inequalities, we see that it's actually in the y equals mx plus b format, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Now when graphing these, we need to start by graphing the y-intercept, or in this case, -2. So once we have -2, we're going to use that point of reference to go off of the slope. The slope is 6/5, positive 6/5. So we're going to go up positive 6 over positive -5. So up positive 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and over positive 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now that we have 2 points on this graph, that's really all we need to create a correct line. Now, it's very important that I connect these lines with a dotted line. The reason is because it's less than, not less than or equal to. So it cannot be equal to this line. It must be less than this line. So a dotted line is, I will try my best to make this straight. All right, perfect. And then the last piece of information that we need is that it's less than this line. So if it's less than this line, then it's going to be below it or in the negative section of the y-axis. So we are going to just draw diagonal lines in this red color, showing that all the solutions are below this line. All right, perfect. So now that we have the first solution set graphed, let's go to the second solution set. So let's start off by graphing 5 on the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now that we have 5, we're going to graph the slope of positive 1/5, which is going to be up 1 and over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, and since that's so close together, I'm just going to graph one more point on it. That way I have a clearer line to make. That's going down 5 and over 1. The reason I can go down 5 and over -1 is because whenever you go down 5 and over 1, the negatives cancel out and we still have a positive slope of 5 over 1. So down 1 over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I can create a little bit clearer line. Even though I just needed the 2 points, 3 definitely helps me make this a little bit of a better line. And again, it's a dotted line because it's not equal to, it's simply greater than. So now that we have that, we want the line to be greater than, which means it needs to go on the positive side of the y-axis. The positive side is above the line. So we are going to make dashes above this line. Perfect. We have done it, and we have graphed the two inequality graphically on the set of axes below. Now, second point is we need to find a solution set, which just means what is one of the points that these two red and yellow lines intersect, which is going to be in this area right here. So if we just look at it, we see that this right here is one of the points right there, which is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then we know that that's 5. So 6, 7, 8, 9. So one solution set to this graph is 11/9. Perfect. Just like that, we learned how to graph inequalities and find a solution set. I hope this answered any of your questions regarding not only this question, but me as a tutor. And I hope you have a great rest of your afternoon and a great rest of your day. Thank you.